A very good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, so here we start with the fourth practice session for 10th standard ICSE Geography. So without wasting any time, we would start with this so that you get a good practice while you go today for the exams. We want you to be confident enough, and this is the reason why we are doing this. So let's begin with first question. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. This is the image. You can have a close, good look at the image and then answer the question, that is, state the areas where mining can be practiced. Look at the image given besides and think of the areas where mining can be practiced. And your options are A. Rocky outcrop, B. Stony waste, C. Sheet rock, D. All of the above. I want you to attempt an answer. And the correct answer for this question is D. All of the above. Mining can be practiced in rocky outcrop, stony waste, as well as sheet rock. Going to the next question, number 2. Refer to this image and answer the question that follows. So have a close look at the image so that you can answer it proper. And the question is, the grid square which has temporary huts is dash. A. 5428, B. 5227, C. 5128, D. 5324. So the grid square which has temporary huts is dash. Good morning, Classic Entertainments. Very good morning. Good morning, Arushisha. Now answer this question. Fatafat answer dena so that we can solve many more papers. We have got very less time with us. And the correct answer is B. Very perfect answer. Classic Entertainments as well as Arushisha. The symbol indicates temporary huts in the grid square 5227. We go to the next question, number 3. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. And the question is, give the technical term for the point X on the section given below. And your options are A. Gap on the escapement, B. Hole on the ridge, C. Crest of the escarpment, D. Pass between 2 points. The correct answer, I expect you to answer. The correct answer for this question is B. It's call on the ridge. The point X indicates call on the ridge. In geomorphology, a col is the lowest point on a mountain ridge between two peaks. It may also be called as a gap. Particularly rugged and forbidding cols in the terrain are usually referred to as notches. We go to the next question number 4. Refer to the image and answer the question that follows. This is what is the image. Good morning, Kavya. And the question is, what does the figure 200 in the grid square 3984 indicate? Look at the image properly. And your options are A. Spot height, B. Trigonometrical height, C. Contour height, D. Relative height. What should be the answer for this question? And the correct answer for this question is C. It's contour height. Figure 200 indicates the contour height. The map generally uses the contour lines to represent the connecting points of equal elevation. The spot height can be defined as the height of the particular point on the ground that often explains the height of a hill or mountain. So the spot height is measured from the main sea level. Going to the next question, refer to this image and answer the question that follows. And the question is, what is the direction of the flow of the river given in the section given below? And your options are A. Northeast, B. Southeast, C. Northwest, D. Southwest. I request the students to answer quickly so that we can go ahead fast. And the correct answer for this question is northeast. The river flows northeast. Going to the next question, refer to the image and answer the question. Look at this image and the question is, what types of wells are observed in the settlement C? And your options are A. Saltwater wells, B. Sweetwater wells, C. Lined wells, D. Unlined wells. Give me the fast answer. Come on, answer fast. And the correct answer for this question will be D. Unlined wells. Remember, lined wells are artificially created by digging into the ground and supporting the walls with bricks in a circular pattern. In contrast, unlined wells are mainly formed by different natural phenomena and incidents. Going ahead, refer to this image and answer. And the question is, what does point P depict? What does point P depict? And your options are A. Pass, B. Gap. C. Call. D. Saddle. So what does the point P depict? Students, please answer fast. And the correct answer for this question is D. It is the point P depicts a saddle. A saddle is the bottom of the slope between two hills. Remember that. Now, going to the next question, number 8. Look at this image and answer this question. What do the black curved lines along the streams indicate? And your options are A. Gully erosion, B. Broken ground, C. Seasonal rainfall, D. All of the above. So, what should be the answer for this question? What do the black curved lines along the streams indicate? And the correct answer for this question is D. All of the above. See, the black curved lines along the streams indicate gully erosion, broken ground, as well as seasonal rainfall. Okay, so question number 9, refer to this image and answer the questions. And the question is, what is the primary source of water supply for the settlement A? I repeat the question. What is the primary source of water supply for settlement A? Hello creative world. How are you? Good morning. And your options are A. Streams, B. Tanks, C. Perennial lined wells, D. Aqueducts. I want you all to answer fast so that we can solve maximum papers as we can. And the correct answer for this question is C. Perennial lined wells. Perennial lined wells indicate a higher water table and are shown by blue dots. Presence of dry streams, dry ponds, exposed riverbeds, and broken land shown in the black indicate an area with scanty rainfall or seasonal rainfall or a desert region. Very good answer, Arushisha and Kanak Kapil. Going ahead to the question number 10, refer to this image and answer the question, that is, what is the type of forest observed to the northwest of the river flowing through the section given below? What is the type of forest observed to the northwest of the river flowing through the section? And your options are A. Dense mixed jungle, B. Fairly dense jungle, C. Mixed jungle, D. Dense jungle. And the correct answer for this question is D. It's dense jungle. That is D. Now going ahead with this question number 11. Rainfall in centimeter of a station is recorded from January to December respectively. That is point 0.2, point 0.2, point 0.4, point 0.3, 1.8, 30.6, 36.0, 28.8, 24.8, 20.8, 1.0 and zero point 0.8. What is the annual rainfall in the station? And your options are A. 145.6 centimeters, B. 145.7 centimeters, C. 145.8 centimeters, D. 145.9 centimeters. And your time starts now. So what should be the answer for this question? What is the annual rainfall in the station? And the correct answer is it is 145.7. Annual rainfall is 145.7. The correct answer is B. Very good, Arya Dikshit. Very good, Arushi Shah. Correct answer. Bacha, very good. Going ahead with question number 12. Mumbai is warmer than Hyderabad in winter. And your options are A. Mumbai is closer to the equator. B. Mumbai is located at the lower altitude. C. Mumbai has an insular location. D. Heat waves make Mumbai warmer. And your time starts now. And the correct answer why Mumbai is warmer than Hyderabad in winter is C. Mumbai has an insular location. Perfect answer, Arushisha. So let's go ahead. Question number 13. Little rainfall is experienced in the central part of the Deccan Plateau. A. The moisture laden winds are parallel to the Deccan Plateau. B. There is no mountain barrier to obstruct the moisture laden winds. C. It is in the rain shadow region of the mountains. D. The winds blowing over this region are offshore. Arya Dikshit, you're going so early. All the best, but on the way also you can plug in and listen to us so that we can help you maximum. Hi, Mayank Raj. Yes, in the night we did the reading for one chapter. If you wish, you can go on the playlist, check with it, and just plug in and listen. The chapter that we read yesterday was water resources. Okay, now before going ahead, answer me for question number 13 fast. And the correct answer why little rainfall is experienced in the central part of the Deccan Plateau is C. It is in the rain shadow region of the mountains. The central part of the Deccan Plateau experiences little rainfall because it is in the rain shadow region of the mountains. Going ahead, question number 14. Lucknow experiences a continental type of climate. Why? And your options are A. It lies in the center of India. B. It is located south of the Himalayas. C. It is located far from the moderating effects of the sea. D. It receives very less rainfall. And your time starts now. So, why does Lucknow experience a continental type of climate? Thank you, Arushisha. I'm happy to know that the sessions have helped you. And the correct answer for question number 14 is C. Lucknow experiences a continental type of climate as it is located far from the moderating effect of the sea. So correct answer is C. Kavya, you're correct. Kanak bacha, aap galat gaye ho. So keep this in mind. If this question appears in the exam, you should be in a position to answer it. Question number 15. The monsoons originate from the dash. A. Bay of Bengal. B. Arabian Sea. C. Indian Ocean. D. None of the above. And your time starts now. Students, it's a request. Please answer fast so that we can solve one more question paper while you're on the way to the exams. It should help you. And the correct answer, the monsoons originate from the Indian Ocean and enters India through the area sea branch of southwest monsoon winds. Now, question number 16. Bulk of the rainfall in India is experienced between June and September. And your options are A. There is high pressure on the surrounding water bodies and low pressure on the land. B. Relief features are located perpendicular to the moisture bearing winds. C. The southwest monsoons blow over India from the sea to the land. D. All of the above. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is all of these. Going ahead, very good, Kavya. Question number 17. Uti is cooler than Madurai. Why? And your options are A. Uti lies on the windward side while Madurai lies on the leeward side of the mountain ranges. B. The monsoons blow over Uti and not over Madurai. C. Uti is located at a higher altitude than Madurai. D. All of the above. And your time starts now. So the correct answer why Ooty is cooler than Madurai is because Ooty is located at a higher altitude than Madurai. So that's your answer. That is C. Correct answer Arushi and Kavya. Going ahead, question number 18. Thar is a desert and experiences scanty rainfall because dash. A. The moisture-laden southwest monsoons blow parallel to the Aravallis. B. It experiences high pressure. C. It is located in the interior. D. It is on the leeward side of the Aravallis. And your time starts now. So Thar is a desert and experiences scanty rainfall because your answer has to be A. The moisture-laden southwest monsoons blow parallel to the Aravallis. Going ahead to question number 19. Soil has been formed as a result of dash rocks. A. Weathering. B. Degradation. C. Aggradation. D. Erosion. And your time starts now. The question is quite easy. And the correct answer, soil has been formed as a result of weathering of rocks. Very, very easy question. Very good Kavya, Kanak and Arushi. Going ahead with question number 20. The dash sequence of soil horizons found at a given location is collectively called the soil profile. And your options are A. Lateral, B. Vertical, C. Horizontal, D. Parallel. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is vertical. The vertical sequence of soil horizons found at a given location is collectively called as the soil profile. In other words, the soil profile is defined as the vertical section of the soil from the ground surface downwards to where the soil meets the underlying rock. Going ahead to question number 21. Which of the following is not a method of soil conservation? A. Mulching. B. Leaching. C. Terrace farming. D. Crop rotation. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is leaching. Leaching in geology is the loss of soluble substances and colloids from the top layer of the soil by percolating precipitation. The materials lost are carried downwards, it is elevated, and are generally redeposited, it is elevated in a lower layer. This transport results in a porous and open top layer and a dense, compact lower layer. Going ahead to question number 22. It takes hundreds of years to make a 1 centimeter thick layer of dash. And your options are A. Sand, B. Humus, C. Soil, D. Mulch. And your time starts now. Quite an easier question to answer. The correct answer for this question is soil. It takes millions of years to make 1 centimeter thick layer of soil. Going ahead to question number 23. Laterite soil is largely found in the summits of the hills in dash. A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Meghalaya, C. Rajasthan, D. Bihar. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is Meghalaya. Laterite soil layer is rich in iron oxide and derived from a wide variety of rocks weathering under strongly oxidizing and leaching conditions. It forms in tropical and subtropical regions where the climate is humid. So the laterite soil is largely found on the summits of the hills in Meghalaya. Question number 24. Which point is not a characteristic of laterite soil? A. Laterite soil is infertile. B. Laterite soil is red in color due to the presence of iron oxide. C. Laterite soils are deficient in potash and lime. D. Laterite soils are alkaline. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is D. So laterite soils are alkaline is not a characteristic of laterite soil because laterite soils are highly acidic in nature. Question number 25. Gully erosion cannot be stopped by dash. A. Plugging them. B. Construction of vegetative embankments. C. Construction of bunds. D. Strip cropping. And your time starts now. So gully erosion cannot be stopped by strip cropping. Remember, a gully is a landform created by running water, mass movement, or commonly a combination of both, eroding sharply into the soil or other relatively erodible material, typically on a hillside or in river floodplains or terraces. Question number 26. What is the predominant characteristic of the soil shown in the map below? You have to observe closely. And your options are A, it is acidic, B, it is infertile, C, it is alkaline, D, it is very fertile. And the correct answer for this question will be, come on, answer for question number 26. 26 answer. It is D. It is very fertile. Very good, Kavya. Question number 27. Planting two saplings for every tree felled is dash. A. Deforestation. B. Afforestation. C. Reforestation. D. Reforestation. And the time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is reforestation. So, planting two saplings for every tree felled is reforestation, because the reforestation is the process of putting new trees in the ground in an area where trees used to grow. Very good, Jatinder Singh. But it is reforestation and not reforestation. To the next question, number 28. A characteristic feature which makes Sundari tree suitable for boat building is dash. A. Soft. B. Thorny. C. Durable. D. Xerophytic. And the time starts now. Quite a predictable answer. Quite an easier one. And the correct answer for this question would be durable. The Sundari is the dominant mangrove tree species of the Sundarbans of India and Bangladesh. The timber has many uses in bridge building, house construction, boat building, and joinery, as utility poles and tool handles, making hardboard and as firewood. The tree is grown commercially in plantations. Question number 29. Why are evergreen forests never bare? A. They shed their leaves during summer. B. They shed their leaves during winter. C. They do not have any fixed time shedding their leaves. D. None of the above. And the time starts now. And the correct answer for this question is C. Evergreen forests do not shed their leaves at one time due to heavy rainfall. So they do not have any fixed time shedding their leaves. Going to the next question, number 30. Which types of forests are the most widely found in India? Yes, Abhavya Tyagi, correct. Kanak Kapil, Jatinder Singh, you were right. The options are A. Thorn forests, B. Tropical monsoon forests, C. Tropical evergreen forests, D. Littoral forests. And your time starts now. Which types of forests are the most widely found in India? Come on, guys, answer fast. And the correct answer for this question will be the tropical monsoon forests are the most widely found in India. Going ahead to question number 31. Mountain forests are found in dash. A. Rajasthan, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Jammu and Kashmir, D. Bihar. And your time starts now. And the correct answer for this question, that is mountain forests, are found in Jammu and Kashmir. Correct, Jatinder Singh. Very good, Kanak Kapil. Question number 32. Coniferous trees are found in dash. A. Himalayas, B. Peninsular Plateau, C. Coastal plains, D. Northern plains. And the time starts now. And the correct answer for this question, that is coniferous trees, are found in A. Himalayas. Going ahead, where in India will you find the vegetation depicted in the image given below? And your options are A. Deccan Plateau, B. Thar Desert, C. Sundarban Delta, D. Ganga Brahmaputra Plains. And you can see the answer as well. So this kind of vegetation depicted in the image is ought to be seen in the Deccan Plateau. Going ahead to question number 34. Multi-purpose projects were called as temples of India by dash. A. Narendra Modi, B. Maneka Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Anna Hazare. So multi-purpose projects were called as temples of India by dash. And the correct answer for this question is Jawaharlal Nehru. See, dams are called the multi-purpose projects. The multi-purpose project called as temples of modern India because these multi-purpose projects are the main source of power generation, which they generate electricity, and electricity is the backbone of industry and agriculture. Question number 35. An efficient method of irrigation consisting of perforated pipes. A. Sprinkler irrigation, B. Drip irrigation, C. Spray irrigation, D. Furrow irrigation. Yes, Abhavya Tyagi. And your time starts now. Efficient method of irrigation consisting of perforated pipes. Students, you answer fast. And the correct answer is drip irrigation. It is a type of micro irrigation system that allows water to reach the roots of the plants in drops. Question number 36. Haryali, a watershed development project aiming at conservation of water, was initiated by Dash. A. Central government. B. State government. C. Gram Panchayat. D. Non-governmental organization. And the correct answer is central government. The objectives of projects under Haryali, launched in 2007, first harvesting every drop of rainwater for the purpose of irrigation, plantations including horticulture and floriculture, pasture development, fisheries, etc., to create sustainable sources of income for the village community as well as for drinking water supplies. Going ahead to question number 37, rainwater harvesting technique adopted in West Bengal is dash. A. Dongs. B. Kere. C. Johats. D. Pukur. And the correct answer for this question will be Pukur. When it rains, we have to collect this water and not allow it to run away. Broadly, rainwater can be harvested by three main techniques: A. Storage of rainwater for direct use, B. Recharging the groundwater aquifers for future use, and C. Diversion of runoff into existing surface water bodies. Going ahead to question number 38. Irrigation is significant in Punjab because dash. A. It is a water-thirsty state. B. Irrigation is an important feature of the green measure of the Green Revolution. C. Due to the presence of natural depressions. D. Presence of rivers. And the time starts now. So why is irrigation significant in Punjab? And the correct answer for this question is B. Irrigation is an important measure of the Green Revolution and hence it is significant in Punjab. Going ahead to question number 39. This method leads to dash. Look at the picture and answer. A. Water conservation. B. Soil conservation. C. Groundwater recharge. D. All of the above. And the correct answer is all of the above. Going ahead to question number 40. Identify the method of recharging groundwater aquifers. This is the image. Option A, bore wells. Option B, dug wells. Option C, percolation pits, and the answer is evident. Option D, recharge trenches. And the answer you can easily see it is percolation pits. So friends, we have solved the fourth paper. Remember, a percolation pit is nothing but a hole dug into the ground. It helps draw water downwards through the soil, recharging groundwater. The pits have been dug scientifically in order to check waterlogging and soil erosion during heavy rainfall. So we have completed the fourth paper solving, and at 8:15 I'm going to start with the next. On the way to your schools, you can certainly listen to me and still revise. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.